guys, welcome back to my channel. Sit down. Jack. He smells so good. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Mackenzie and Jack. Today we are going to be doing an unboxing video, and I've never done one of these videos before, but I'm really excited because I've been wanting to do one, and I just got the package today. I'm super excited to open it and see what it looks like. All right, so let's see this package. Okay, so this is from Dollskill, and their packaging is really cool. So it's got all this cool artwork on it. Okay, so the box did get a little damaged in the mail, but it's fine because I'm probably not going to keep the box anyways. Okay, so let's open them up. I'm so excited. Ooh, I did get this other item. I know this is a shoe unboxing, but look at this adorable shirt from Delia's. It's so cute. It has teddy bears on it. Okay, anyways, back to the shoes. Look at this paper. It's like hologram. So awesome. So excited. They're nice and covered up. So they have shoe covers on them if you wanted to use it. Ooh, wow. These are awesome. Wow. I love the blue hologram and the blue fur. They're so well made. I've never bought any clubexx shoes before, and so far I'm really pleased with the quality. Like, I can tell these are really nice quality. So I think it is worth the money, just from what I can tell, and they look to be in perfect condition, so shiny. And the shoelaces are really high quality. Yeah, these are really amazing. I'm so happy with these so far. I can't wait to wear them. And I think that the heel on these, I can't remember what it said. I think it was only 5 inches, maybe not quite that much. It might have been 4, I can't remember. But they look super easy to walk in. So they're really awesome. And these are on Dollskill website for $88. I did have a coupon that I applied. I think they're probably worth the $88 because they're super awesome. But yeah, they are just so much better in person. And the inside has fur all in it, so you can kind of see. And I got these in a size 9. I'm usually about a size 9. I wasn't sure about clubexx since I had never purchased from them before, but I think these are going to fit really good. So let's go ahead and try them on. So now that I've tried the shoes on, I think I like them even more. They are so comfortable and warm and soft, and I love that it has the fur on the inside of these shoes. I think that is so awesome. I will definitely be purchasing more clubexx shoes because I've been missing out, and I cannot wait to wear these out. I'm so excited. They're gonna be so warm for the winter time because where I'm from, the winters are really cold, so a pair of warm boots is a must. And these are just amazing, and they fit perfect. So I would say if you're a true size 9, then I would get a 9. I usually get a 10 if it's like a pointy toe shoe, but this one is a round toed shoe. So I would just get your normal size. Unfortunately, they do not have half sizes, and I think I'm probably a true size 8.5, but these fit great. So these are a size 9, $88, only on dollskill.com. Go get them. Sometimes they will have sales, and clubexx stuff always goes on sale. So if you don't want to pay $88, maybe just wait, but they might sell out. So if you really want them, I would get them now. I think they're worth the $88, but that's just my opinion. They're really good quality. This video was super fun. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm so used to doing DIY videos that I don't talk quite this much in the videos that I usually post. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you want me to post more videos like this, please tell me below in the comments. And if you haven't already, please hit the subscribe button, and I can post more of these videos if you would like to see more unboxing videos, first impressions, things like that. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed it. I hope that this will help you decide if you want to buy them or not. And to my subscribers, thank you for being so awesome and supportive and commenting and liking. I really appreciate each and every one of you. Thank you so much. I will see you guys in my next video.